Good morning, guys. Keep watching if you want to see how I achieve these cute little wavy, crazy, randomy curls using straighteners. There we go, do a little thumbnail. Yes, keep watching if you want to see how I achieve these, but do bear with me. The lighting has been really weird. I'm using God's natural lighting, so it's a bit temperamental, and I forgot to turn the TV off so you can hear it in the background, so I'm sorry about that. And my voice is a bit croaky, but yes, keep watching and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I start with my hair just freshly washed. Like, I didn't blow dry it, I literally just tied it up. This is what it looks like. It's not curly and it's not straight. It's horrible. I can't believe I'm on the internet with this hair. It's like atrocious. I just saw my hairbrush was over there. I'm gonna cry. Let me go and get it. Okay, so I've got a tangle teaser. Don't think it has a brand, just literally just a plain. And I'm just gonna brush my hair completely through. It's so horrible, like it triples in volume. Why do I have this hair? My mum has straight hair and my dad has curly, so this is like the hybrid demon that they created. Once you've got this monstrosity all brushed out, it's so horrible. I'm gonna put on some like conditioning sort of heat protectant kind of thing. Use this guy, cheeky, just basic little Tresemme heat protectant, heat defense. I literally just, my hair is coloured, so it's quite, believe it or not, it's quite dry sometimes. Then I put this in for colour, it just adds a bit of like, lightens your hair. There we go, so hair is ready. I just plug, switch on my straighteners. I am using GHD 4 or GHD IV, I think it means 4. This hair is horrible. I think it means 4 because it's like 1 and a V. Some Roman numeral cheers. Once it beeps, that's ready. So I just go in half. I do start underneath. I pull only a little bit down and then I grab the rest. I'm just going to use this scrunchie. Oh my gosh, it matches my top, that's so cute. And just pile it on the top of my head, like that. It takes a few goes to really get into it. Sorry, I'm going to start looking in the mirror now. I think curling my hair in the viewfinder is not going to be a good way to show you what to do. Okay, and then I just grab a piece of hair right at the top and then twist almost all the way around. If you can go all the way around, then that's good. And then slowly, just slowly go down. Until the hair's released, and then I just push it around. I like fold around the curls so you can like see where they're going to. And I know it looks tight, but they will drop out. Then grab and then roll around. There we go. There you go, there's your cute little curls. They do drop out, I promise. Looks a bit ridiculous now, imagine if that was all the hair you had. Then go the other side and just put it in half. You need like, not that much, but like a decent bit. When it's flat, it should be about that wide. So like when you put it in your straightener, it's not like coming out or like falling over the top or anything like that. It's like proper good center. You can see a bit of the blonde there. The slower you move down the piece of hair, the tighter the curl will be, as we saw from the first one. I just think they look really pretty, like really pretty messy sort of accidental curls. And I always change from forward to back as I get up my head, which makes it look a bit more kind of curly whirly and random. And then grab some more hair, really literally not much, like enough to do 2 or 3 curls, like not much, another little layer. I'm just gonna crack on because this is gonna take me a long time, and then I will catch up with you later. Right, we'll curl forward on this one. Cute. Chuck it that way. And then this one by your face, curl backwards, always. Otherwise, it does look freaking weird. I've had like a messy bun and just curled like my like little side fringe bangs. That didn't work. And like not being able to work out which way was backwards, and so I did forwards, and oh my god, it looked ridiculous. You look literally like a clown. There we go. Okay, now I'm starting at the back because it's quite hard to do the back, so I'm just gonna brush it through again, so it's been like tied up, and then pin these out the way, literally just like that, like this. And then I just got to do the top. This is the important part. So if you want a side fringe, you curl it this way, but I always have a parting. Okay, and then I find where I want my parting, and then just do the top bits really. And then there you go, that's all your hair, curly whirly whirly. And then I just kind of look through, make sure there's no bits I don't like, no just random straight bits. Perhaps that little guy. Fish him out. Yeah, just go over him. It's usually only tiny little strands. You just get like caught up or something. They're really quick to fix, literally just whiz, chuck them back in. And then I use this, you will have seen me use this before, VO5 high volume hairspray. It doesn't smell that bad as well. You can get hairsprays that have a nice smell. My hairdresser uses that, so I'm quite jealous. Okay. Usually I wear this with a little hairband, or I tie it up. It's in my sinuses, which is what I'm gonna do today, I think. We'll just kind of there we go. I think it's cute. It's not the best time I've ever curled it, but these ones are really nice. And yeah, then I just spray it loads and then style it how you wish. But make sure you do it to where you want your parting. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and do let me know if you have any tips on how to keep your hair like curled for longer. I don't know if it's just hairspray or if there's a shampoo or conditioner or like other product I can buy. Do let me know in the comments. Please subscribe and give the video a like if you would like to see more kind of hair type things. So do let me know, and thank you very much for watching. Bye!